In this episode, Sasha and Keoni continue to address the goal of this lesson, which is to find geometric information given the equation of a parabola in any form. This time, they work with an equation that isn't in vertex form.
Okay, now this one I want you to do the same thing. I want to know geometric information like the p-value and the focus and the directrix. How does this one look the same and how does it look different than all the ones you've graphed so far today?
Well, we still have a squared.
We don't have our 4p.
Yeah.
Okay. What else looks different?
We don't, so usually we have the parentheses with the x and a number being squared.
Okay.
And this time it's just the x squared.
Can you rewrite this so you have those things?
Yeah, we can. Because we're awesome.
Yeah.
You want to read it or want to read it?
This may involve a little algebra that you learned in school.
Yeah, we got this. We got
We got it.
Okay, so you can pull out the x and you can make, let me do this. Right?
Yeah.
Do like,
Because x squared and then 4x
right? Okay. Now what?
plus 4.
So does that fit the form that you...
No, it still doesn't do what we want it to do, though.
What do you want it to look like?
We want there to be a squared right there.
You need a squared term. Okay.
Can we make it 2?
Try again. What else could you do to that x squared minus 4x plus 4?
Do like x and a 2, right? 'Cause it's a or do we just do like the whole thing? It's just the whole thing, right? So then it's x minus 2 and then x minus 2, right? So y equals x minus 2 squared. That works, right? Yeah, that works. There you go.
Keoni, what do you think of that?
Yeah.
Do you know what she just did?
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
I know
Can you
it's
make
right.
sure that
So that's
is...
x squared, and then minus 2x, and then plus 4. And we get x squared minus 4x plus 4. And look!
Oh my gosh. Look at this
Matches.
go.
Now do you have it in a form that you can work with?
Yeah. Because we know we don't have our k, so it's going to be 0 for
Then
that.
we know that we can
Put it over 1.
over 1, so then it's going to be a 1/4 again. So, yeah. I'm just going to do it like 1/4, like that.
So we have our hk, our vertex, equals, is it negative 2? Or no, 2. Just 2,
2, comma, 0.
0. And it's a positive 2 because it's always flip-flopped with that.
Okay. And the k is... So you know your vertex is...
2, 0.
And what's the p-value?
1/4.
When they first saw the equation y equals x squared minus 4x plus 4, Sasha and Keoni noticed that it didn't look like it was in vertex form. They didn't see a term like x plus or minus a number squared. So they factored the equation into y equals the quantity x minus 2 squared. Now the vertex was easy to find. H is 2 and k is 0. This means the vertex of the parabola is 2, 0. To find the p-value of the parabola, Keoni noticed that there was no denominator below the quantity x minus 2 squared. However, he pointed out that dividing the term by 1 doesn't change its value. And 1 can be thought of as 1/4 times 4, which means the denominator now looks like the 4p from the vertex form. So, p is 1/4.